కాదు అసలే నేను ఎక్కువ ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడు మీరు ఎక్కువ ఇంగ్లీష్
సార్ అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ వీడియో వాళ్ళు చెప్పారు సార్,
ఏమని?
ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మీడియా కూడా ఉన్నారు, సో కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కూడా మాట్లాడండి, లేకపోతే వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కాదు ఏం చూస్తున్నారు అని. So,
అచ్చచ్చా.
అందుకని సార్ మాకెందుకు ఇంత కష్టం లేకపోతే.
ఓకే
ఓకే, సో విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ యూ సార్. యూఆర్ రిప్రైజింగ్ యువర్ రోల్.
మీరు అడగబోతున్నారా?
ఎస్
ఓహో
ఎస్ మిమ్మల్నే సార్.
చాలా కొత్తగా ఉందే. సరే అడగండి, చెప్పండి.
సార్ మీరు చెప్పండి సార్, మన స్టైల్లో వెళ్ళిపోదాం అని. మన
లేదు
స్టైల్లో
చెప్పమ్మా, ఎందుకమ్మా, లెట్స్ గో విత్ ద ఫ్లో.
Yes. Okay. So you're reprising your role as Ram Babu with Drishyam 2. So did you feel any pressure given that the first outing would be a massive success already? So దానివల్ల ఏమన్నా ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా ప్రెషర్ ఏమన్నా ఫీల్ అయ్యారా ఫర్ దృశ్యం 2?
లేదు, జీతూస్ దృశ్యం 2 చూసిన తర్వాత ప్రెషరే అక్కర్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే దట్స్ సచ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ స్క్రిప్ట్ హీస్ రిటన్ అండ్ నోబడీ విల్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. అండ్ రీసెంట్ టైమ్స్లో అలాంటి అద్భుతమైన స్క్రిప్ట్ రావటం అనేది హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు జీతు. సో అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దృశ్యం 1 people were waiting for అలాంటి సినిమా కోసం, they were waiting, and I was really lucky that Drishyam 2 ran so well, and we immediately got on board and we attempted the film. And తప్పకుండా pressure అనేది naturally, I mean the movie is such a super hit already, and we have Jeetu, Mohanlal, Meena, the outstanding crew, have done some extraordinary performances, but we took it up as a challenge. The whole team of Drishyam 2 Telugu's come up with some wonderful performances, because we had some outstanding actors, and I think the other day I saw the whole film, and it's really shaped out really well. And తప్పకుండా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకి ఇది తప్పకుండా చాలా మంచి సినిమా అవుద్ది, ఎందుకంటే ఇలాంటి సస్పెన్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ థ్రిల్లర్ మధ్యకాలంలో రాలేదు. అండ్ ఎస్పెషలీ ద క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ రామ్ బాబు ఇస్, I mean, any father will be like that. I mean, such a strong character who wants to protect his family, and he'll go all out to do that. So I think I thoroughly enjoyed working in this film, and with the guidance of Jeetu, I gave my best. And తప్పకుండా ప్రేక్షకులు నా ఎప్పుడు నేను కొత్త టైప్ సినిమాలు చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు ఆదరిస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. And I'm sure this film also, they will love it and enjoy the film. Yeah.
Super. Thank you. And next question is to Jeetu sir. Rajamouli sir had called Drishyam 2 nothing short of brilliant and a masterpiece. అలాంటి ఒక డైరెక్టర్ దగ్గర నుంచి అంత మంచి కాంప్లిమెంట్ అందుకున్న తర్వాత what is your reaction?
Actually, when I get that message, I was in Hyderabad with my family. I was in a hotel room. We were in a conversation. So one message came on the phone. I opened it, and the first line was, "Hi Jeetu, Director Rajamouli is here." Then actually it's like an electricity passing through my spine. I couldn't believe. And after that, I read that full message, and I was just sitting like this, and my family, my wife and daughters, they were staring at me. What happened? Then I read the message.
Okay.
Without revealing the sender. Okay. Because we were getting this kind of message every day. So they said, okay. My daughter asked me, who sent the message? Director Rajamouli sir. She laughed at me. She thought I was just playing tricks. Okay. Then I saw showed her the message. She literally screamed and jumped. Actually, we were all excited because getting a comment like this, and from one of the greatest directors in the industry, it was awesome. I couldn't believe this.
Super. That really, he's also so sweet to send you that message after saying this, right? Yeah.
And immediately I put it on my Facebook page and Instagram.
Okay, next moving on to Rajkumar Sethupathi sir. What are your thoughts about the film launching on Amazon Prime Video for a global audience?
Well, namaskaram. See, this movie should reach all families, and with the present COVID pandemic situation, it is not possible. And the everywhere there is limited audience, and people with family hesitate to come to theaters. So in these circumstances, I think this is the best platform to launch, and we have the best Prime with us. So we hope everybody all worldwide could watch it. So we are much happier to bring it faster to the screens, to your home theaters.
Wow, super. Thank you. And coming to Mrs. Rajkumar Sethupathi garu, Sripriya garu. So back end of the day, ante meer Drishyam 1 direct chesaru. How would you manage to balance this sensible emotions with a thriller?
Sorry, I'm answering something which you have not asked me for.
Okay.
Drishyam 1 was like begging for a child and taking it from the original parent, and then I have given it back to the original father. And I hope Mr. Jeetu remembers, after Drishyam was released, in my office in Chennai, I convinced him to do a sequel and he refused. You remember? He said, I don't think I can do justice because this is it has really reached out people. I do not want to risk. So I hope he gives me the credit that I'm a part of Drishyam 2.
Actually, Supriya ma'am is the first person asking for a sequel for this Drishyam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Super.
So good things have to be reminded. Yes. So anyway, I am a part of this because there are a lot of flashback scenes, I guess. Also, and when I did part 1, I had some problems a couple of days, and Mr. Jeetu came out and did the most important scene. He directed it in Telugu also. He's how do you feel about not being a part of part 2? Is the question many people ask. It is sad, but nothing like the original father.
Of course.
So I'm so happy and proud that Jeetu has been a part of this again. And I'm sure he's going to make 3, 4, 5, 6 till Venki becomes a great grandfather.
Wow.
And all the family. I'm sure the daughters will be married but still be a part of Drishyam. I'm so happy to be here. We are missing Suresh Garu and also Mr. Anthony here. And Nadia has not come here because I think she's held up in Mumbai. And why did I not do is also another question. Mr. Jeetu was willing to allow me to do part 2 also. But yes, the pandemic, and there was no maid at home, so my husband chose to keep me home. Thank you.
That's so sweet, super. Yeah, thank you. And Meena Garu, so as I said before, Meedi Venkatesh Gardi, enno successful movies unnai, blockbusters unnai, enno years ga work chestunaru. So from Chanti to Drishyam 2, right? So how the rapport between you two evolved all these years?
Okay, wow, that's a good question. Because initially there was absolutely, I don't think there was any rapport because I was always very scared. I was always very quiet. And he also was very quiet. He's a very reserved person, doesn't talk much. But ippudu, after so many movies working together, I have that ease, that comfort level. And ee roju naaku edaina kavalante I can ask him any doubts unte enti ila cheyocha andi deeniki entandi ardham, something like that. Whatever I have in mind, I can express myself more freely. And so that way I think it's we have evolved as co-stars and as good friends.
Okay, so that's about Venkatesh Garu. Now tell me about Rambabu.
రాంబాబు మామూలుడు కదా
చూడ్డానికి చాలా మామూలుగా ఉన్నారు కానీ
Sorry, I'm interrupting.
No,
Please. I have to tell something. No one else can fit into this role because even at shooting, Venkatesh only talks about his family.
Exactly.
His children, his
Exactly.
wife, and he's such a family person that you can see him live that role. And of course, my very good, my brother, Naresh, he and Nadia and Meena, and now we have a new person in the movie, which I don't want to reveal her role, Mrs. Suja. All of them are good, and Venkatesh is a director's delight. Yes, sir? Jeetu, sir, yes?
Super. Thank you, and thank you, Meena Garu.
మీరు అడిగారు రాంబాబు గురించి అంటే అలాంటి ఫాదరు ప్రతి ఇంట్లో ఉండాలండి, బికాజ్ హీల్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఫర్ హిస్ ఫ్యామిలీ. అండ్ ఈ సినిమాకి వస్తే దృశ్యం 1లోనే చూశారు, ద వే హీ గోస్ ఆల్ అవుట్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ హిస్ ఫ్యామిలీ no matter what the circumstances and the situations are. So in this one, it's a little more. I mean, ఇది ఎందుకు కొంచెం కాంప్లికేట్ అవుతుందంటే, ఇట్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ 6 years యూఆర్ అగైన్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు రాంబాబు స్టోరీ. 6 years తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అన్నీ బాగానే ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ అండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ అవర్ ఓన్ ఎమోషన్స్ అండ్ our relationships are getting closer. But there is a hidden fear that sometime సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ గోన్ కమ్ అగైన్. అండ్ కరెక్ట్గా మళ్ళీ 6 ఏళ్ళ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ రావటం, మళ్ళీ అందరూ తవ్వటం. సరే తవ్వడం అనగానే ఆ బాడీ గురించి ఎవ్రీబడి సో క్యూరియస్. సో యూ నో హౌ ఇంటెన్స్ ఇట్ కెన్ గెట్, హౌ ఐ మీన్ you really want to know what is really going to happen. I mean, it is so thrilling, this film. So that way, I think it's very difficult to get such characters, and I'm really glad I got this Rambabu's character, which will go on. But because, but the way he gets out of the problem is something amazing. The way Jeetu has written the script is just outstanding. You will never see anything like this, because there is no way you can predict what is going to happen the next second. So that's the kind of twists and turns happen in this film, and with an extraordinary emotional climax in the end. He'll somehow see that he gets out of the problems. So it's so, what do you say, interesting to watch this film, I think.
ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్కి ఆన్సర్ దొరుకుతుందంటే క్వశ్చన్ మార్కులు పెంచుతూ పోతున్నారు మీరు.
అంటే రివీల్ చేయకుండా ఉంటే అందరూ చూస్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా.
ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ఎస్తర్, దృశ్యం 1లో చిన్న పాప 6 ఏళ్ళు పెద్దదైపోయింది ఇప్పుడు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 6 years అగైన్ ఇన్ దృశ్యం 2, సో గెటింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ ద చేంజెస్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్ ఫర్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం. సో వాట్ ఆర్ దే అండ్ హౌ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్?
I think we've all been through this, we're going through again, because in Drishyam 2, I mean, a lot of people have been asking me about the same question, like the transition of Anu there. So I think I have changed as a person outside the film and also as a person in the film. So here she's a little bit naughty and she's always putting up fights with her mother, but you know, her dad has got her back all the time. So it's a very interesting character. Like, you know, from when I compare it with Drishyam 1 or here Drishyam 1, I mean, Drishyam is always a film that is close to my heart, but the character is also very sweet. I mean, I can relate it to incidents from my life and also with a lot of people around me, like, you know, who have gone through this age, the fights they put up, the things they do. So I've really had a good time playing that role. Yeah.
Super. And I still remember for Drishyam 1 pre-release event, we called her on stage Baby Esther. And now Miss Esther, and long way to go. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
And coming to Naresh garu, మళ్ళీ రాంబాబు ఫ్యామిలీని కలవడం, మళ్ళీ రాంబాబు ఫ్యామిలీ దగ్గరికి రావడం, ఇన్ దృశ్యం 2 వాళ్ళతో జాయిన్ అవ్వడం ఎలా అనిపించింది?
To start with, Drishyam 1 was a game changer for Telugu screen, I can say. The genre, the plot, the execution, everything about it, the cast. I remember Raj saying, Venkatesh Garu is doing the lead. I said, fantastic, I can't think of anybody else. Then came Meena, one by one. Then Nadia, me, my Akka, directing it. Perfection, a beautiful piece. I remember one more thing, you know, memories, reminiscing beautiful things. He was asking me, how will it be? Raj was asking me, how will it be in mass centers? I said, let's watch in Kurnool. Kantakante mass center undi. And the way the audience were, you know, going gaga over the dialogues, clap. He said, what is this? I said, this is it. Don't underestimate Telugu artists. They're fantastic. So that's the first thing. But now, I mean, chala pedda thrill idi. When they said Drishyam 2, okay, I miss Akka in this, but all our producers are there, Suresh Garu, Rajkumar Garu, all our people are there. And working with Jeetu Garu, you know, I want to say it. So next level of perfection. You know, it is like every shot was like opening a champagne. Celebrating, enjoying working with him also. And Malli, Drishyam 2 is next level. What I have seen, my role and Nadia's role, maybe length might be short. Every character has importance. But it's an awesome experience working with the director again, with the entire team, with Venkatesh Babu, the whole team. And Sampath, again, is a big surprise. This film done an awesome job. Not that he's done an awesome job as a surprise, but the way the character was portrayed and the way it's performed. Overall, naku okka manchi scene andi. I can never forget my life. The last, we're shooting in Kerala, and I confront the hero to meet him and ask him, I want you to see the film. It's a very beautiful scene. At the end of it, that is the last shot also. Including the hero, everybody, director garu clapped and said, very nice. అంటే ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్కి ఎన్ని వందల సినిమాలు చేసినా ఒక పర్టికులర్ దీంట్లో వెన్ ద హీరో అండ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ ఎంటైర్ యూనిట్ క్లాప్స్ యూ ఫీల్ గుడ్ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్. సో ఓవరాల్గా అంటే దెర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హైప్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్. ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంకా రాజమౌళి గారు చెప్పిన తర్వాత దెన్ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ హౌ కెన్ ఐ కాంప్లిమెంట్. It's a brilliant film again. We're just waiting for the part 2 to break into the people.
Yes, on November 25th, only on Amazon Prime Video.
Amazon, that too on Amazon, such a platform. We're all thrilled to be a part of it and waiting as audience to watch it now.
Wow. And now coming to the new entrance to Drishyam family. కొత్తగా ఈ ఫ్యామిలీలో జాయిన్ అయిన ఇద్దరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. సంపత్ గారు, will start with you. So what made you to say yes to this role?
I don't think anybody will say no to this role first. Most importantly, I would like to say is, I believe in when you ask something with the universe and it conspires to get you. Jitu, when I first saw Drishyam in theatre in Chennai, in Satyam, I told somebody who I was watching with, saying that 100% this movie will have a sequel. I believed in it. And I also said that somewhere, somehow I want to be part of it, if at all it happens, whenever it happens. And it did happen when I got a call from you and Suresh Productions. So yes, that's something that I wanted to say. And working with Jitu was a very different experience because in this movie, I'm not at all shouting, which I usually have done in most of my films. Right. So it's a very different way of acting that Jitu brought out. And what I also liked about Jitu is when something is not right, he would say it to you. And when something is beautiful, he'll also appreciate then and there. And that's what I loved about Jitu and working with him. And of course, the day when me and Venkatesh Babu had a shot, it was a long shot. And I was just dumbstruck because Venkatesh Garu came and just did it in one take. And in fact, when everybody said it's okay and Jitu came, saw it and said okay, I think Venkatesh was not sure. He wanted to see, can we do one more? So Jitu said, no, perfect. It's just perfect. So I guess everything fell in place, like what Naresh was saying, is we all got together. We've been part of a fantastic project. And I trust and believe that the audience across the globe will love this film. Not only for its making and its storytelling, but because of its intelligence that goes with it. So many more cinemas, and as Madam said, for 3, 4, 5, and 6, I hope I'm part of it. Thank you.
Super. So 3, 4, 5, Sampath Garu must be there. So he already told it. So yeah, thank you. And coming to Suja. So inta mandi star cast, inta manchi movie. Which everybody connected. So ee cinemalo meer kuda oka part. How it happened?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నాకు వచ్చి చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉంది నవంబర్ 25th ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో అని. మీరు అడిగారు ఎంత లక్కీ అంటే నేను చాలా లక్కీ అండి. బికాస్ ఈ ఫిలిం నాకు నేను ఎలా అనుకుంటున్నానంటే గాడ్స్ గిఫ్ట్. అది ఏ రూపంలో వచ్చిందంటే మిస్టర్ రాజ్ కుమార్ సార్ అండ్ శ్రీప్రియ మ్యామ్ వాళ్ళ మూలంగా నాకు వచ్చింది. నేను అది కరెక్ట్గా గ్రాప్ చేసుకున్నాను. బట్ ఈ ఫిలింలో నాకు నిజంగా మంచి స్పేస్ ఇచ్చారు, మంచి ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చారు వెంకీ సార్ అండ్ మీనా మ్యామ్. సో నాకు పర్ఫామ్ చేసేదానికి మంచి అవకాశం దొరికింది. సో థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిలిం.
సూపర్.
స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు మై డైరెక్టర్ జీతు సార్. ఆయన లేదంటే ఈ మూవీలో నేను ఏం చేస్తుంటే నాకు తెలీదు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నాకు వచ్చి దగ్గరికి వచ్చి అన్నీ నేర్పించారండి. సో అదే నేను ఫాలో అయ్యాను టోటల్గా.
వావ్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ సో పేషెంట్. అంటే తెలుగు మీడియా పీపుల్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఒక్కొక్క క్వశ్చన్ టు ఈచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో
అడగండమ్మా.
యా. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్ ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ. సో హౌ డిఫరెంట్ వాజ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ దృశ్యం?
ప్రాసెస్సా?
యా.
ప్రాసెసే
ప్రాసెస్.
యాక్చువల్లీ సెట్కి వెళ్ళగానే రాంబాబు వచ్చేస్తాడమ్మా. See, that is the beauty of this character, Rambabu, because and when he's with his family, that's it, he becomes that family man, and he'll do what he has to do for them, and this time he knows he's in a bigger problem, so he's even more cautious, but he's even more clever, he's even more smart, he's more intelligent, he's one step ahead from anybody who's investigating. So that way it's a great character to think. And of course, the original, which was played by one of the most respected actors in our Indian film industry, Mr. Mohanlal. I have great regards, and he did such an outstanding job. The other day, I mean, sometime back, I met him and he said, "How did it go?" I said, "Mohan, I just watched you, so it's I can follow a lot what you've done." So Mohanlal gave some outstanding expressions in this film, which I was really stunned, and I took it up as a challenge. These are some scenes which I will never ever get to do in other scripts, and so those scenes were so close to my heart, and with Jeetu there and the thing, we really designed them so well, and they've come out really well. So that way, I think, and we did it in a single schedule during the COVID times. So we were all in a small town, and everybody was so involved, and the whole team was so charged up to do this film. So I think everybody got into their characters very fast, and I think it was very smooth, and I just enjoyed the film. Yeah.
Super. So Rodkin from Deccan Herald, I think you got your answer. So he joined us virtually, sir, in this event. Yeah, so
Okay.
this question is from him. And now the second question to Jeetu Joseph Garu from Rajshekhar, freelancer, again, who joined virtually in this event. Yes. So what are the changes you have done in Drishyam 2 from the Malayalam version?
To be frank, there isn't any major changes because it is structured in such a way that we can't alter. I mean, you can take away any scene or you can add just like that, okay? But since the original is it's a Malayalam movie, and now this is a Telugu movie, so definitely the cultural aspects are there that we have to consider. So that kind of changes, we have already made some changes regarding that culture, from the cultural aspect. And of course, 3-4 scenes, actually, it was there in Malayalam, but we changed the premise and we changed the structure of the scene. Okay. Other than that, we can't change much. Then the presentation style, in that area, we have made small changes. There isn't any major changes.
Okay.
If we go for that kind of changes, it will seriously affect that film.
Right. సో చిన్న చిన్న చేంజెస్ అకార్డింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఆడియన్స్ తగ్గట్టు తప్ప పెద్ద చేంజెస్ అంటూ ఏమీ లేవని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అండ్ నౌ అగైన్ జీతు సార్, ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు మీడియా. సో మలయాళం అండ్ తెలుగు ఆర్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ దే కల్చర్స్ అండ్ నేటివిటీస్. సో హౌ ఛాలెంజింగ్ వాజ్ ఇట్ టు అడాప్ట్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్?
For me, it was not a challenge at all because Suresh Garu sir was there, writer Ramesh was there. They all fed me with, they all helped me. They told me what all changes need to be done. this is how it is here. So I got a good help from Ramesh and Suresh sir and Suresh. There's a lot of people, Nanaji, there's so many people who were there. So thanks to them. So actually, it was not a very big burden for me. Thanks to Suresh sir and Ramesh.
Super. Thank you. And next question is to Meena Garu from RK Gemini TV. How difficult was it for you to adopt to Telugu diction?
Okay. Diction, it wasn't as bad or difficult as I thought. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇనిషియలీ ఐ థాట్ చేసేద్దాం, మనకు తెలుగు బాగా తెలుసు కదా, బాగా వచ్చు కదా, చేసేద్దాం డబ్బింగ్ అని అనుకున్నాను. బట్ నేను అక్కడ షూటింగ్లో ఎలా మాట్లాడానో సేమ్ అలాగే డబ్బింగ్లో మాట్లాడాను. బట్ దెన్ ఐ కేమ్ టు నో ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ వర్డ్స్ స్ట్రెస్ చేయాలి, ఎక్కడ మనం యూనో మోర్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ దానికి దేనికి ఇవ్వాలి, ఇవన్నీ కొంచెం డిక్షన్ కరెక్షన్స్ కొంచెం చేసినప్పుడు నేను కొంచెం నేర్చుకున్నాను. బట్ ఇట్ వాజంట్ దట్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ.
Okay.
It wasn't so bad. So hopefully I guess it's come out good.
సూపర్. ఎలాగో మీకు చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా ఉంది కదా తెలుగు సినిమాల్లో చేసిన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఓవర్ ఇయర్స్. యా సూపర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ నౌ ఇట్స్ ఫర్ రాజ్ కుమార్ సేతుపతి గారు ఫ్రమ్ రాజేష్ రాగలహరి నుంచి అడుగుతున్నారు. నౌ దట్ థియేటర్స్ ఆర్ ఓపెనింగ్ అప్, బట్ స్టిల్ వై యు ఆర్ రిలీజింగ్ దిస్ ఫిలిం ఇన్ అన్ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్?
Well, as I told before, it's today people to come, I mean, to the theaters is not really possible. So it's best we can reach so many worldwide at the same time. I think that is today we see so many movies in COVID times. We were seeing so many movies, though we are not going to the theaters, we are seeing the best of movies. So we thought, I mean, though we like to put it to the theater, but it was not possible. We waited a few months. Like Suresh Babu Garu was insisting we should go to the theaters. We were all with him. But somehow other theaters were not opening, and the second wave was very bad. So finally we had to take a call, because such a good movie we don't want to hold. After working all these people work, we finished the movie in 42 days in the COVID times. And thanks to the team, without Jittu Joseph Garu and Venkatesh cooperation, that wouldn't have happened. So after we started the movie in April, finished in June, July, we were ready with the movie. But we were waiting, but it was not happening. So we thought this is the best way to come to the people all over the world. As you know, it is going to come in so many hundreds of countries.
Yes.
So, and it's a family movie.
Right.
And the real hero, the family man, they expect so much from him. And Venkatesh, I know him. We are in the 80s group. I keep meeting him. So this was the best. One person I like to thank now is the story came to me when the movie was in making. I was producing a movie here called Malini. My wife was directing. I had line producer Suresh Balaji and George Pius. So we came back from the shooting. We were just having a chat and dinner. He started telling me the story because he is very close to Mr. George Pius. I mean, I'm not a real producer or something. This was when the movie was making. I said, what a movie, what story. Then the day the picture released, he called me. Rajkumar, I told you the story about this movie. I said, yes, what happened? It released today. I said, how's the response? He said, it's okay. You are interested in buying the rights? I said, okay, tell me. He said, you want which language? I said, Tamil, Telugu, definitely. He said, buy everything. Buy Hindi, all North Indian. I said, one price. They agreed for the price. But they said, we want the check today evening. I said, okay. I sent the check blindly. I've not seen the movie. With the belief what he told me the story, I got interested in that, and that's the way it came to me. Then the rest is history.
Wow.
So thanks to the George and Suresh Balaji.
And thanks to you again for bringing Drishyam 2 in Telugu. Thank you. And now the question is from Eenadu Television to Esther. So Rajesh is asking this. Who was the most fun on sets? among all these?
in
yeah,
this-
among all these.
I
Yeah.
thought there was a comparison between that uncle or Minky uncle. Okay. Fun.
Yeah.
Jeetu uncle. Because I've known him for so many years now. So I really don't want to bring this up, but his daughter and I, we went to the same school. So I also know him as her daddy. So we know what's happening there also. So these things keep coming up. We keep teasing each other. So there's this teasing and fun going on always. So
Okay.
that's there, but obviously Venky uncle and Meena auntie, and Meena auntie keeps ordering food some days, so we have fun like that also. So yeah, totally, it was everyone's fun working with.
Okay, I thought you would say first name Venki sirs, but unexpected, Jeetu sir name came up. Thank you, Esther. And now the question for Sampath Garu. Prajashakti nunchi Murali garu adugutunnaru ee question. Can you tell us what kind of preparation did you have to do for your character in this film?
Yeah, the first thumb rule that Jeetu came up and told me is, he said, you will just be the way you are, that I see you now. That's all. Just be that. So that was my preparation from there to the...
మీరు ఎలా ఉంటారో అలాగే ఉన్నారు. That's
yeah,
it.
that's all. That's all he wanted. He said, just the way you are. That I just met you now. This is the way I want you to be. I said, okay. I was happy.
Yes, as simple as it is.
Yeah, thank you.
చాలా చిన్న ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏం లేదు, ఆయన ఎలా ఉన్నారో అలా ఉన్నారు అంతే, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో ఎలా ఉన్నారు అన్నది 25th అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ వీడియోలో దృశ్యం 2లో చూసేయండి. అండ్ ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నరేష్ గారు మీకే ఫ్రమ్ TV5. యూ హ్యావ్ యాక్టెడ్ ఇన్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ కెరీర్. వాట్ మేక్స్ దృశ్యం వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ థ్రిల్లర్స్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్ టైమ్స్?
See, if it's about my character, I'll tell you, when Supriyaka was directing it, actually she proposed my character for that. I should thank her for that. Appadaka, it was almost one genre of films I was doing. Mostly, The Light of N or A Father, something. Because the climax was such a powerful climax, and facing, Director Venkatesh, me. So there was a debate whether Naresh can carry it or not. And this was 6 years back.
6 years
again.
back, yes.
Now, they decided, and I should thank her also, that Naresh should do it, and they were sure. And I remember we sat and, sort of not rehearsed, but we went through the scene. That's a beautiful experience. I can never forget it, that evening. And when we saw that in the theater, then I knew my life changed. My characterization changed. Now I'm doing different genres, gamut of characters. So I thank Akka for that, Venkatesh Babu, all the producers, Raj, Suresh Babu and all that. Again, then see, always I say, for a character actor, okka manchi scene, oka film lo, that should carry.
Yeah.
And that one scene was the last shot I said when I shot with the heroine, the director. It was such a beautiful scene. I felt happy. Malli okkasari inta beautiful film lo inta manchi scene chesam. So this film actually was a game changer for me as a character actor. I can say that.
Super answer. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this event. Thank you so much, Prati Okkalki.
Thank you so much.
And it's so pleasure to share this stage with you all today. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you all for coming.
Thank you very much.
And it's coming on 25th.
Yes.
25th November on Amazon Prime. So let's go watch it and give me your feedback, okay? Thank you so much.